Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are arriving at Las Vegas Airport at the car rental center. So essentially once you arrive on your flight, you want to exit to the outside and then look for the car rental shuttle. So this is where the car rentals shuttles drop you off at the car rental center here. So let's just give you a quick tour around. This is, as far as I know, this is the taxi loading zone. And then if you're leaving the car rental center, just down here is, so this is the Terminal 3 shuttle. So to go back to the airport to Terminal 3, you get over here, you walk over here. And actually they've got a list of the airlines there. And then if you're going back to Terminal 1, this is where you get on. So if you drop off your rental car, these are people coming from the airport to pick up a car, and then if you're dropping off your car, you can go over here. So this is Terminal 1 to get back to Terminal 1. Terminal 1, Advanced Air, Allegiant, American, and a couple other airlines there. And so if you're arriving, let's take a wander in here. Check out the rental car counters, and then I'll show you how to actually get out to the cars. So this is kind of the main lobby here. We got Hertz down here. And there's the Hertz counters. And if you're picking up a car with Hertz, Budget, or Avis, these are the escalators out to the garage. Hertz is upstairs, Avis, Budget downstairs. Here's the Avis counters. And the Budget counters. And there's actually a Starbucks here. SixT counters. Sorry, SixT. My apologies, I always say that wrong. And then to get to the garage with SixT or Payless or Enterprise, you can go down here. SixT and Thrifty. I guess SixT has two counters. Not sure why there's two counters. Maybe they needed more space. Here's Enterprise. And I'll walk over to Dollar. Dollar Thrifty are downstairs. Alamo National are upstairs. So this is where you walk through to get your car. Down through there. There's Alamo. And then there's National. And then this is just kind of the view of the whole arrivals area. So let's just do a quick walk down to the entrance at each. Just to give you an idea, it's everything's fairly close here once you arrive, so it doesn't really take that long. So we're down to Dollar Thrifty, and then if you're in from Dollar Thrifty, you can pick up a car down here. So here's the garage, here's the cars, there's a Dollar Thrifty booth if you have any questions. Some of the cars down there. And let's go back up. We'll do the other ones here just so you have an idea where everything is. Actually, we'll go upstairs. So that's the ground level. Upstairs we have National and Alamo. Oh, boy. Gotta watch where I'm going and not where I'm filming. I'll be walking up the down escalator again. Okay, so again, a short walk. Alamo National. Let's take a peek here. You can see where the cars are. There is National, and then there's the aisle, and then there's Alamo, and kind of the reserve over there. And actually, Enterprise is just down around the corner. So let's go back here. And we'll go to the B section here, the B exit to the garage. So they got SixT Enterprise, Payless. So SixT, Payless are going to be downstairs. Enterprise is going to be upstairs, which just around the corner. So let's actually, this is the up escalator. Let's just show you where Enterprise is. So if you're renting from Enterprise, they actually have a booth out here as well. So if you're renting from Enterprise, here's where they have the cars, and they got looks like an Audi R8 and a Lamborghini SUV down there. So there's the cars, there's the booth. If you're picking up with Enterprise, I guess that's for checked-in customers. So if you're checked in, I'm not sure how that works, then you can pick up here, and then Hertz is actually just down there, and then Alamo and National are just down there. So let's go back in, we'll go down. Yeah, over here. All right. And we'll show you where Payless is. I think it's down here. Oh yeah, Payless and SixT. Right. Okay. I'm going to show you where that is. Well, I got a nice Mercedes convertible there. So this is SixT down here. Oh, and Payless is just over here. Let's just walk over here. You can see where that is. And I don't think there's really a booth. Yeah, so yeah, good luck. Not sure where Payless is. Bunch of SUVs here that need a wash, and then that's Avis over there, but it says Payless, so I guess further in the cars are down there. Let's go back. All right, let's continue our walk on here. From SixT Enterprise over to the C section here, and then we'll wrap things up. Of our tour of the Las Vegas Car Rental Center. And again, if you're returning a car, you would just actually, I've got another video with driving directions if you want to take a look at that. But essentially, once you return the vehicle, you essentially walk back out into here, and then you can get the bus back to the airport. And I did it again. I was going to go to Hertz, but I had a down escalator, so let's go down to Avis. Avis budget. And they got some Cadillac SUVs for upgrades. So if you please read your vehicle space, see this budget preferred. There's the counter. And they got a bunch of Teslas over here. Oh, here's like a map. Car rows. Okay, so there's the map. Well, they got like charging stations right in there. Okay, let's go up to Hertz and then we'll wrap it up for you. All right, here we go. Let's go up to Hertz. Yeah. Just some directions up here. Actually, I have a feeling the Shelby, if it's not rented, is probably parked out here. Oh, I don't see it. Maybe somebody's got it out. The 900 horsepower one. Yeah, I think it's out. Somebody's out driving around and enjoying that. This is where they have it parked. If you want to see the Shelby, I have a separate video on that. So if you're picking up, there's the President Circle Gold upgrade aisles. And, oh, this must be the new Kia Electric. All right. Okay, thanks everyone for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video.